Good day, sir and madam. I am Tessa Olivas Talamayan. I am 37 years old. I'm from Tuguegarao City, Cagayan, Philippines. I am married, blessed with two beautiful daughters, ages 12 and 9. I have 8 siblings. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters. I am a graduate of vocational course associate in hotel and restaurant management. I worked in Hong Kong for 1 year. I serve 5 members of the family, a couple, and 3 children ages 8, 6, and 2. My duties and responsibilities are doing the household chores like cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing, and cooking, and most especially taking care of the children by serving and giving all their needs. Drop them and pick them up to school, play with them, take them a bath, and put to sleep the 2-year-old girl. Sir, Madam, as a helper, I am reliable, hardworking, trustworthy, honest, kind, and dedicated to my work. Sir, Madam, if given the chance to work with you, I promise to give my best to do my duties and responsibilities and to love and care to your children as my own. Thank you, Madam and Sir, and God bless, and I'm happy to meet you soon.